welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Carissa. So tonight I'm doing a cook and clean with me. We are going to be cooking chicken enchiladas. I've never actually cooked them before. So I'm going to take you through why I do this and the cleanup after. But first I'm just going to insert a quick clip of a mini grocery haul. So here's what I got at the supermarket. I got it from Coles. So I got some Pepsi Max, a 2 litre, 2 no sugar Cokes, the enchilada kit, which is tonight for tea, some waffles that are filled with chocolate hazelnut, yum. I thought I would try this, or my daughter try it tomorrow for lunch, chicken and bacon pasta bake. Sounds quite yummy. I got a zucchini, some bananas, always need bananas. My daughter's really been liking these, so I thought we'd try the raspberry and hot chocolate. Some straight cut chips to have with the enchiladas tonight. And everybody deserves a treat once in a while, so I got some of these. I think it's pronounced connoisseur. And this is Belgian choc fudge with roasted hazelnut. Yum. And I also got the same brand, and I got the Tasmanian strawberries and cream. I got some chicken tenderloins. They were on special for $6.49. I actually got 2 of them, and the other one was $5.99. And also for a lunch idea for either me or one of the kids is the creamy chicken carbonara. So in total, this all cost $78. So it's a bit hexy, but yes, that's what I got at Coles today. So the first thing I'm going to do is just put together this, it's like a slice of dice sort of thing. I got it off TV, one of them infomercials. Myself and my mother-in-law got one, so we got a pretty good deal. I think we got 2 for like $69. But in any case, I'm going to use that to grate up the zucchini, and I will use it again to grate up the cheese. But first the zucchini, and then I'm just going to cut up the onion.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks. Coming close to me now, trying to be smooth, so here we go again, here we go again. You're trying to find me dreams, and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya, would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya, would ya?
You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me.
So here I'm just adding a little bit of avocado oil to my frying pan to fry up the onions, and I did chop up the chicken a little bit because it said to have it thinly sliced, so I did that. I've put that in. I'm putting in the zucchini. I'm just following the packet directions, really. I had no idea how to make these. It did say to add half the sauce, so I'm going to add that. And then I'm going to take it off the heat and add, it said to add half the cheese to it. This was really yummy. We hadn't had enchiladas before, like I said, so we really enjoyed it. Probably the only person that didn't was my daughter, and I'm just using avocado oil again just to grease the pan a bit so they don't stick. I did find this relatively easy, the rolling up. I have made like sushi for my daughter, so it was pretty similar to that, but it was a really quick recipe to make. Really good for weeknight dinners. I would totally recommend it. Leave it down below what sort of enchiladas you like. Any suggestions for any other recipes I could use rather than just using the El Paso packet mix would be greatly appreciated. So now I'm just putting the rest of the sauce on there like it said to do, and I'm using my slicer dicer thing again to grate up some cheese, putting that over the top, and then I'm just going to put it in the oven and cook it. I'm very sorry I did not take any footage of it being once it was cooked, so I apologise for that. It just totally slipped my mind. I was in a bit of a rush that night, and you can see the deep fryer there. Yes, I am going to do some chips with it. I have sort of gone off keto a little bit. I was doing keto there for a while, but I've sort of gone off of it a bit, and now I'm just showing you the aftermath of cooking enchiladas. It normally happens to me when I cook something new, the kitchen just becomes tragic. So we're going to clean that up now, but like I was saying, I forgot to take any footage of it cooked, so I'm really sorry for that. But I'm going to do a quick clean up. I'm just going to clean up the dishes and that we used, put them in the dishwasher, wipe down the bench tops, wipe down the stove top. And yeah, tea was really nice. I really enjoyed it, and so did everybody else. So you'll probably see the shower cap there that is sitting there. I do use that while I'm cooking at the moment. At the moment, my hair is falling out like everywhere. I don't know what's happening. It started happening when I was doing keto, and I've noticed that just heaps and heaps of hair falls out all the time. And yes, unfortunately, it has happened, and there's been hair in food. So that's why the shower cap's out there for, because I wear it while I'm cooking, which is why you didn't see any footage of me, like any full footage of me while I was cooking, because I had the shower cap on and I looked kind of ridiculous.
Trying to impress me, but I don't care about your Rolex or your credit card.
Rolex or your credit card. Still you won't quit trying to be cool, so here we go again. Here we go again.
You got nothing on me. You got nothing on me. You got nothing on me.
Looking like a movie star, try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me bad, but your pretty moves kinda make me sad. Oh boy, you must be mad. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot.
So the glass dish there, I am going to leave that in the sink to soak. It had a lot of baked on grime from like the cheese and stuff from the enchiladas. So if I put that in the dishwasher, it's just going to stay there and it won't come off. Here I'm just wiping down the glass on the inside of the oven. It gets really grotty, especially when you're doing things like lasagna or enchiladas or a roast. So I do give that a wipe down every time that I do it, regardless of whether I or the kids are packing the dishwasher. So I'm just putting the dishwasher on now. I'm just going to give the sink a quick wipe out, and that'll about do it.
Drinks and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya?
it a thumbs up. Also, if you like my channel and my content, please consider subscribing by hitting the red button down below, and also hit that bell notification so you know when I next upload. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.